crazy video happening today. We're just doing random shots of random stuff getting done. My nephews actually showed up from Montana. We got my man Jacob right there. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. We got a super crazy video happening today. We're just doing random shots of random stuff getting done because with construction going on, there's just so much happening at all random times. People show up randomly, whether it's the electricians or the plumbers or the guys that are doing punch list stuff. Anybody can show up at any time. So right now, you're just gonna see a bunch of random work happening that I'm really excited about because it means we are getting one step closer, actually like 50 steps closer to the finish line. So let's get some of that work. Alrighty, y'all, so as we're finishing up all the projects, we've been doing all kinds of random stuff. The first house is almost done. We're actually in the third house right now, and it is a disaster. My nephews actually showed up from Montana. We got my man Jacob right there. We got my man Noah back there. He's got a mullet. Jacob used to have a mullet. These dudes are crazy. They're from Montana. They're always fishing, doing something wild. They show up to town, they're on vacation, they're like, hey, we want to work. This man was literally this big, what it seems like just yesterday. Now he's a grown man about to, how old are you, Jacob, 15? He's 15, he's about to have his license, and in Montana, you can get it when? 14. So he's about to get his license when? It's coming up?
2 months.
2 months, he's getting his license, which is crazy. Come here, show me the mullet right here. We gotta show him the mullet. Turn around, show him. Look at this. He's got the curls. This kid reminds me of me. I was actually blonde-headed growing up. We're about the same size growing up, everything like that. This is what I literally looked like. So anyways, these are my oldest sister's kids, and life is great because they're over here working, and that means I don't have to clean up on this beautiful day. Right here, we got my man Paul. He came back from Syracuse, got his crutches, and let's show him that knee right there. He's got his surgery done. He's just got to do rehab and whatnot, but it's just been one of those things, man, where losing Paul, it's unfortunate, but he had to get his knee redone. It is what it is. Life goes on.
So far, so good. No pain. Knees moving good. So therapist says we're going to be able to walk soon. So
anyways, he needs to walk sooner than soon. So we're going to get these houses done. These guys are going to keep cleaning up in here. Got to have a clean job site. We're just going to get more progress and get these things done.
y'all, we're out here. I'm on a crutch, but these guys are working hard. So right now we got this garage floor epoxy going. If you check out behind me, let me give you guys a sneak peek. This side's drying, that side they're working on right now. They still got all this left to do. But hey, progress is progress. We're gonna watch them get the rest of this done. We got some GoPro footage for you, got some of these nice shots for you guys. We're gonna have this house done sooner than you think.
Alrighty, y'all, so as you can see, we've got so much progress happening. I am very excited with what we've got going on, man. We are getting so close to that finish line. That 120-day period that we set out, that schedule, we actually were able to hit it with this great house. The other two houses are about a week or 2 weeks behind. So I'd say 120 to 140 days for 3 houses from start to finish. That's pretty darn good in my opinion. I don't know, what do y'all think? But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms for Nikos Property Show. If you haven't yet, check out nikos-school.teachable.com. Check out my real estate investment course on how I got into it and how you can too. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.